Welcome back, students. As you know that we are discussing about chapter number 14, motion and time. And in our previous class we had discussed about speed, and already I had told you that if you have to find the speed of any object, you can find it by dividing the distance covered by the object by time taken by the object in covering that distance. So formula for calculating speed if distance and time is given is speed is equals to distance upon time. And by using this formula, suppose if in any question speed is given and also time taken by the object to cover some distance is given, then you can calculate it by the formula distance is equal to speed into time. Another thing is with us, and that is if distance and speed is given in the question and you have to calculate time, you can use this one, like time is equal to distance divided by speed of that object. Understand? So now let's solve a question, and the question I am going to read is the distance between Delhi and Chandigarh is 250 किलोमीटर. क्या भाई कि डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिल्ली और चंडीगढ़ कितना है? 250 किलोमीटर्स. अ बस टेक्स 5 आवर्स टू कंप्लीट दिस जर्नी, और इस जर्नी को कंप्लीट करने में एक बस 5 आवर्स लेती है. एट व्हाट स्पीड डज द बस ट्रेवल्स? तो बस की स्पीड क्या होगी ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. सो लेट्स सी. As it has been given, distance is equal to 250 kilometers, time taken that is 5 hours, and we have to calculate the speed of the bus. So we use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time, and if we divide 250 kilometer by 5 hours, we obtain the speed of the bus, that is 50 kilometer per hour. Understand? Now our next topic is about graph. How we can represent a graph of distance and time. So first of all, I am going to show you about various types of motion. तो मोशन के जो टाइप्स है बेटा आप लोगों को बताया गया होगा, मैं रिकॉल कर देता हूँ उसे. फर्स्ट थिंग इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. पहला मोशन है यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. इट मीन्स डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. मीन्स जैसा कि हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि ग्राफ की, तो ग्राफ यदि हम प्लॉट करेंगे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का तो वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी. क्लियर? एंड we can say that a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि equal distance travel करती है कोई भी object in equal interval of time. But in case of non-uniform motion, unequal distance traveled in unequal interval of time. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, distance भी कोई fix नहीं होती है और time भी कोई fix नहीं होता है. And when we plot the graph of non-uniform motion, we find this graph either curved or zigzag. Understand? Now students, I am going to show you the two graphs that showing you a uniform motion and a non-uniform motion. So go through it carefully. So students, this is all for today's class, and in our coming classes we will discuss some more things related to science and technology. So thank you and have a nice time to you all.